torture, rape, decapitation, mutilation, desecration on hundreds of places of worship unparalleled in the history of mankind. These declarations are issued for the general Pukizo public to be followed to the letter. Our tribulations and untold sufferings have failed to subside even after the passage of 16 months since the outbreak of the Manipur government orchestrated violence, all due to their dogmatic and extreme antipathy toward the Pukizo people. The same outbreak of violence and tribulation towards the Pukizo people by the combined forces of Manipur Police Commando, hand in glove with UNLF and Meitei Militia, Arambay Tenggol and Meitei. Hence, the following declarations are issued for our people till posterity to come. Number one, the sons and daughters of the Pukizo people will shed every drop of our blood to protect our land and go to us by our ancestors.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Lâm cả hồn sắp có đồ luôn.